Okay, let's just discuss some of the trigonometric formula. What is sine of x plus y?
Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y.
Yes, sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. What will be sine of x minus y?
Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y.
Yes. Sine of x minus y is sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. Excellent. What's going to be cos of x plus y?
Cos x cos y
Y
minus sin x sin y.
Yes. So cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now what's going to be cos of x minus y?
cos x cos y plus sin x sin y.
Yes. All these are fundamentals which will be helpful not only in your trigonometry, but it's also going to be useful for inverse trigonometry. It is also going to be useful in differentiation and integration also, right? Differentiability, which you're going to learn, and also in integration and even in differential equations, right? This is going to help all these formulas, right? Now, we have something called as multiple. These are called compound angle formula. So this formula are called compound angle formula. Then we have something called multiple angle formula. Right? So if you see, what is multiple angle? Suppose I want to find out what is sine 2x. What do? In this equation, x plus y is there. In place of y, you put x. So what will it become? Sine of x plus x. So what will it be? Sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. So it will be what? Sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. What is it? 2 sin x.
Sin x cos.
X. So sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Important formula. Now we can also, so this is one which we'll be using very often in trigonometry. Now one more variation of this formula. I will tell you how you can get it. Divided by 1. Is it okay? No problem dividing by 1, right? This 1 I can write it as sin square x plus cos square x, or cos square x plus sin square x. I'm just writing this 1 as cos square x plus sin square x. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or do you want to note this down? I'll give you a minute. Let me know once you've taken this down, then we'll proceed further. Let me know once it's done.
Done, sir.
Done now? Okay. So let's go to this. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x by 1. That 1 I'm writing it as sin square cos square x plus sin square x. Now what we will do is, we have the sin 2x, which is equal to 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x, because that is nothing but 1, right? So no problem. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this by cos square x. I'm going to divide this also by cos square x. Is it okay? Right? Both numerator and denominator I'm dividing by cos square x. So what will happen? 1 cos x will cancel. So can you tell me what is there in the numerator? What is
2
it?
sin
2 sin x.
What is it? Sin x by
tan
cos
x
x is
cos x tan x
tan x divided by, what is cos square x by cos square x?
1
Plus What is sin square x by cos square x?
1.
Tan.
Tan square x, correct? Sin square x by cos square x is
Tan square x.
exactly. So you get the other important formula for sin 2x. So what is the first formula for sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. What is the next formula? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Now let's look at a similar multiple angle formula for cos 2x. Meanwhile, I'll leave it for writing. Once you've taken down, please tell me. Because all these basics will help you in all the chapters, trig, inverse trig, differentiation, integration. That's why I think we should spend a little time on this, at least 10-15 minutes. Once you've taken down, then
Done, sir.
done. Great. Okay. Now next is we'll do it for cos 2x now. Now look at this formula. What is cos of x plus y?
Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y.
Right. Well, how can I get cos 2x? Put y also as x. If you put y as x, then give you what? Cos of x plus x. What will it be? Cos 2x. So this will be cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. What is cos x into cos x? Cos x into cos x is cos square x
Cos square x
minus
sin square x.
exactly. So cos 2x we get it as. So cos 2x we get it as cos square x minus sin square x. Correct. This is one of the important expressions. Now we will get 4 different varieties of the same formula. Okay. So you know sin square x plus cos square x is 1, correct? What is cos square x plus sin square x?
One.
1, exactly. Now can you add the 2 equations? What will you get? Left hand side. 1 plus cos 2x. On the right hand side, what will get cancelled? When you add them.
Cos square x and sin square x.
When you add them, sin square x and minus sin square x will cancel, correct?
Oh. Yeah, sir.
So cos square x plus cos square x will become 2 cos square x. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is the next formula. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. How did I get it? If this is 1 and this is 2, I just added the 2. Instead of adding, if I subtract, tell me what will happen. On the left hand side, I'll get 1 minus cos 2x. When you subtract the right hand side, what will you get? Cos square x and cos square x will cancel. This will be minus of minus. So plus. Sin square x, when sin square x will become?
2 sin square x.
Exactly. So this will be 2 sin square x. Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So from this we can write. So of course the first one is cos 2x is equal to What did we get? Come on. Cos square x minus?
Sin
Sin
square.
square x.
Correct. Now here from this equation, if you keep cos 2x here and take it to the other side, what will you get? What will be cos 2x? On the right hand side, you have 2 cos square x. This one, if you take it to the other side,
Minus.
yes, it will become minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1 is cos 2x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here, you bring cos 2x here and 2 sin square x, you bring it here. So what will you get? What is cos 2x equal to?
1 minus 2 sin square x.
1 minus 2 sin square x. So all these formula are very, very important. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Clear? So you can just take it down. I'll give you a minute. This is a very important formula.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go ahead with another formula for cos 2x in terms of tan. Okay. So we'll start with this well-known equation now. So what is the equation? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus
Sin square x.
sin square x. Now what I'll do is, can I assume a 1 to be there here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what can I replace that 1 with? Can I replace it with cos square x plus sin square x?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, because cos square x plus sin square x is also 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x I'm having. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to divide this numerator and denominator both by what I'm going to divide?
Cos square x.
Cos square x.
Just like how I did for the sin 2x. Now what I'm going to get? What is cos square x by cos square x?
1.
1 minus what is
Tan
sin square x
square.
by cos square x? Tan. So it's 1 minus tan square x. The whole thing divided by what's that?
1 plus tan square x.
Yes. 1 plus tan square x. Therefore, the final formula for cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Is it clear? So you can note it down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just let me know once you're done.
Done, sir.
Done. Very good. So we have seen 6 important formulae. What are they? Sin 2x is equal to
2 sin x cos x.
2 sin x cos x. And sin 2x is also equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan squared x. Similarly, we've seen 4 formulae for cos 2x. What is cos 2x?
Cos square x minus sin square x.
Yes, that is one of them. Or you can say 1 minus 2,
Sin
Sin square x.
sin square x.
or you can write it as
2 cos square x
Cos
minus 1.
square x minus 1.
or you can write it as
1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x.
yes. All these are important. Many times you'll use it in different chapters. If you want to write the summary, you can write it down, and then we'll go to the next. If you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to tan. Okay. So here we have formula tan of x plus y. What is tan of x plus y?
Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y.
Exactly. Now if you put x also, y also as x, then it will be tan of x plus y will become what? Tan x plus x.
Tan x plus
Tan
tan x.
It will be tan x plus tan x divided by
Tan square x.
tan x into tan x. So tan 2x will be equal to what is tan x
2
plus
tan x
tan
plus
x? 2 tan x
2 tan x.
will be 2 tan x 1 minus tan x into tan x. What is it?
Tan square x.
Tan square x. This is an important formula. Right. Now we will look at 3x formula. Suppose I want to do sin 3x. Can I write it as sin 2x plus x?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
So
So is it not like sin of x plus y? What is the formula for sin of x plus y?
sin x cos y
Yeah,
plus
sin x cos y plus
S cos x sin y.
exactly. So in place of x, I am substituting 2x now. In place of y, I am having x, correct?
yes sir.
Yes. Now how can I write sin 2x?
2 sin x cos x.
Yes, sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x. Into already this cos x is there, which I am writing here. Plus cos 2x has 4 formula, right? What are they? One is cos square x minus sin square x, another is 1 minus 2 sin square x, another is 2 cos square x minus 1, another one is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square. For this sum, I will use cos a 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. In place of cos 2x, what I am going to use?
1 minus sin square x.
1
2
minus
sin square.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Why am I using 1 minus 2 sin square x? Because the question is about what? Sin.
Sin 3x.
All
X.
answers we must get it in terms of sine function. That is why I have used cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this will become 2 sin x into, what is cos x into cos x?
Cos square x.
Yeah, cos square x plus. Now sin x into 1, that will be sin x minus 2 into sin x into sin square x. What is it?
Sin cube x.
Cube x. Correct. So I want to eliminate anything apart from sine. So here you have cos. So I'll have to convert this into sine terms. What is sine square x plus cos square x?
1.
1. So what? How can I write cos square x?
1 minus sin square x.
Exactly. So that's what I'm going to write here. Remaining as it is, I'm bringing up sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Is it clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now if I just multiply it inside, right? So this 2 sin x, I'm multiplying it with 1, so I'll get 2 sin x minus. Then I'm multiplying this whole thing with sin square x. So what will I get? What is
2
sin
sin cube x.
sin square x? Sin cube x. So what do we have? 2 sin x plus sin x. What is it?
3 sin x.
Yeah, I have 3 sin x minus 2 sin square x. Sorry, minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x. How much?
Minus 4 sin cube x.
Minus 4 sin cube x. This is the expression for sin 3x. So what is sin 3x?
3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Similar
sir.
way you can proceed for cos 3x also. Just take this down and tell me once you're done.
Done, sir.
Done now? Okay. Now we look at cos 3x. Very similar formula you'll have. Shall I skip the derivation? Will you be trying it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cos cube x, sorry, cos 3x can be written as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. What was sin 3x? Sin 3x was
3 sin x minus
3
4
sin x
sin
minus 4
cube x.
sin cube x.
exactly. Similarly, you can also derive tan 3x by writing it as tan of 2x plus x. So you will get 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. You note it down. All of these formulae will be helpful for you. Once you note it down, just let me know.
Done, sir.
Done now? Okay. Now with this background, we will go into the proving one of the inverse trigonometric identities, which I told you should remember. which is, I told you, 2 tan inverse x can be written as tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, or sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, or it can also be written as cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Suppose you are asked to prove this, how will you prove it? Let's take. Let x be equal to tan theta. Then what will be theta? If x is equal to tan theta, then what will be theta? Tan inverse of x. If x is tan theta, then theta will be, come on, tell me.
Tan inverse of x.
Yes, okay, fine. So now you take the first one. What is the first one? First one. What is the first one? Tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. What is x? What is x?
Tan theta.
Yes. So it is 2 tan theta divided, wherever x is there, you can substitute tan theta. So did you see this formula anywhere in our discussion? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x.
Yes, sir.
What is it? What is the expression for it?
Tan 2x.
Exactly, right? So what has it become? Tan inverse of inside function has become tan 2x. Not x here. Here, what is it?
Theta.
Are you able to relate to what we derived? What is tan 2x? Yes, tell me.
2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x.
Exactly. So that's what we are using here. So here we are having 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That is nothing but tan 2 theta. And what is tan inverse of tan 2 theta? Tan inverse
2
and
theta.
inverse functions, therefore they will cancel each other, so it will be 2 theta. But what is theta?
Tan inverse x.
Tan inverse x.
Yeah, so this will be equal to 2 into, what is theta?
Tan inverse x.
So we have proved the first part. What is the first part? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is nothing but what?
Tan inverse x.
2
2
tan.
tan inverse.
Have we proved this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, done. Understood. Now similarly, we will take the next one. Let's say we take this one. What is it? Sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, right? So this will be nothing but sine inverse of, what is x? What we have taken x as?
Tan theta.
Yeah, so 2x means what?
2 tan theta.
Divided by
1 plus tan Square theta.
What is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Have you seen this formula anywhere? Was it not sin 2 theta?
Sine 2 theta.
Yeah, what is sin 2 theta?
2
2 tan theta by 1 plus
2
tan.
tan by 1 plus
1
tan.
plus tan square theta.
Yes. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta can be written as what?
Sin 2 theta.
Sine 2 theta.
Exactly. So what is sin inverse of sin 2 theta?
2 theta.
2 theta.
But what is theta?
Tan inverse x.
Yes. So this will become 2 tan inverse of x. So have we not proved the next one? So 2 tan inverse
Yes, sir.
also equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do you understand that, without knowing that formula, that 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, you cannot proceed in this one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is a strong correlation with trigonometry. That's why I did those, right? So let's do the last part. 2 tan inverse x is cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So we'll take the RHS, so which is cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. The second write it as cos inverse of 1 minus. What is x?
Tan.
Yeah. So this will be 1 minus. What is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta?
Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Look at the formula for cos 2 theta, what we derive. And what is cos inverse of cos 2 theta?
2 theta.
2 theta.
But what is theta?
Tan inverse x.
Tan inverse x.
Hence the proof. So this will be 2 tan inverse x. So are you able to understand how you need to solve questions on inverse trigonometry, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, you want to take it down? I'll just give you a minute. Once you are done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Done now? Okay, fine. Prove that 3 sin inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed. Prove that 3 cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. First case, let x be equal to sin theta. Okay. Yes? Are you all listening? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will be theta equal to?
Sine inverse x.
Yes, theta will be equal to sine inverse x. Okay. Now put it on the right hand side. Okay, start from the right hand side. RHS. What is RHS?
Sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube.
Yes. Ma'am. So what is x?
Sine theta.
Sine theta.
If I can substitute in place of x what?
Sine theta.
Yes. X cube will be correct. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you seen this before? 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta anywhere?
Yes, sir. Sine 3x.
Exactly, right? So I hope you remember. Sine 3x we just derived, right? What is sine 3x?
3 sine x minus 4 sine cube
It's
x.
the same thing, right? 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. What is it? Is it not sine 3 theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is sine inverse of sine 3 theta?
3 theta.
Yes, 3 theta. But what is theta?
Sine inverse x.
Therefore, it will be 3 into, hence the proof, which is LHS. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can note it down. I'll give you a minute. Once you're completed, let me know.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Excellent. Now, what do we do for this sum? What do we substitute x as?
Cos,
Cos theta. Then what will be theta equal to?
cos inverse theta.
Cos inverse of x, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Now, let's take RHS. So, what is RHS? Cos inverse of?
4x cube minus 3x.
What is x?
Cos theta.
Sine theta. Sorry,
Cos theta it is.
Yeah, so this will become 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this somewhere?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
3, sorry, cos 3x.
So, if you see here, what is cos 3x?
4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x.
Exactly. So, this is going to be cos inverse of, what is this whole thing?
Cos 3 theta.
Correct. What is cos inverse of cos 3 theta?
3 theta.
But what is theta?
Cos inverse x.
Therefore, this will be 3,
3 cos inverse x.
which is what we needed to prove, right? Are you clear now?
yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Let me give you a few more sums. Try it yourself. Prove that 2 sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2x squared. Prove that 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 2x squared minus 1. What do we substitute? How do we solve the sum? Let x equal to x be equal to sine theta. Then what will be theta equal to?
Sine inverse x.
Sine inverse x. Let's start with RHS. What is it? Cos inverse of 1 minus 2x squared, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is cos inverse of 1 minus 2. What is x?
Sine theta.
Sine theta. So x square will be?
Sine square theta.
Yes. Have you seen this anywhere? 1 minus 2 sine square theta.
Cos 2x.
Yes. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is cos inverse of cos 2 theta?
2 theta.
2 theta. But what is theta?
Sine inverse x.
So it will be 2.
Sine inverse x.
That is equal to LHS, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Let's take it down. Once you're done, let me know. We'll go to the right. We'll go to the next question. Once you remember your trigonometric basic formula, then this will become a piece of cake. This is very simple.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now you look at this. Let x be equal to cos theta. And what will be theta equal to?
Cos inverse x.
Yes. So now, as usual, we'll start from the right hand side. What is given on the right hand side? Cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. This is nothing but cos inverse of 2 into x is what?
Cos theta.
So x square will be
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta.
So have you seen 2 cos square theta minus 1? What is 2 cos square theta minus 1?
Cos 2 theta.
Very good. So it is cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So what is cos inverse of cos 2 theta?
2
2 theta. But what is theta?
cos inverse x.
Cos inverse x. Therefore, this will be 2 cos inverse x, which is nothing but your LHS. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
You can take it down. So here, my intention of doing these is so that you know how to get it done. Second thing is you also remember these, like whatever we learned, like 2 tan inverse of x is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Whatever we did, right? 3 sin inverse of x is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed. All that if you remember, it will be wonderful.
Done, sir.
Done, ma? Okay. Let's now do the next one. Three tan inverse x is equal to prove that 3 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of this. Let x be equal to tan theta. Then what will be theta equal to? Tan inverse of x. Again, we'll take LHS, sorry, RHS. So we have tan inverse of 3x minus x cubed divided by 1 minus 3x squared. So this will be nothing but tan inverse of 3 into what is x?
Tan theta.
Yes, so we'll substitute tan theta for x. X cube will be tan cube theta, right? So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Have you seen this formula before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
3 tan theta.
Tan
Tan
theta.
3 theta. Tan 3 theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is tan inverse of tan 3 theta?
3 theta.
3 theta. But what is theta?
Tan inverse x.
So this becomes 3 tan inverse x, which is your LHS. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
All these is to remember also. I will just summarize everything, what we have done it as sum. Sorry, I'll give you a minute to take it down.
Okay, sir.
Once you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. So let's summarize the formula which we had learned, which is very important, which will be very helpful for your competitive exams if you keep it in memory, right? So what are all the formula we have seen? Okay, this we had not, so it was signing also. We had seen 2 tan inverse x, we can write it as tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, which can be written as sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We can also write it as cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Yes? Similarly, we had learned 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. Similarly, 2 sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2x square. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. These are all very important results. This will be very helpful for your competitive exams. Three tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cubed divided by 1 minus 3. Sorry, x square. So these we have seen, correct? You can just summarize it once. Once you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
You can also add to this one more, and you can try it. Twice. You try proving this now. The last one. And whoever has approved, just let me know what you did. Have you noted it down?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Tell me if you have also completed proving it. Let x be equal to sine theta what will be theta equal to?
Sine inverse x.
Sine inverse x. Okay, with this we will start. So we start with the RHS. It will be sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. So be nothing but sine inverse of 2 into what is x?
Sine theta.
Yes. Into square root of 1 minus x square. What is x square?
Sine square theta.
Correct. So this will be sine inverse of 2 sine theta What is sine square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
1. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So what is cos square theta?
1 minus sine square theta.
So what is root of 1 minus sine square theta?
Root of sine square, so cos square theta.
What is root of cos square theta?
Cos theta.
Exactly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Root of 1 minus sine square theta. What is this root of 1 minus sine square theta?
Root cos square theta.
That is nothing but
Cos theta.
yes. So have you seen this 2 sin theta cos theta?
Yes, sir. Sine 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta, exactly. What is sin inverse of sin 2 theta?
2 theta.
2 theta. But what is theta?
Sine inverse x.
Yes. Which is equal to your LHS. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. You can take it down. Once you're done, let me know. Let me know once it's done.
Done, sir.
Everybody has completed now? Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So I hope you have returned on all these, right? So you can add 1 or 2 more. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of sin inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y can be written as cos inverse of x into y minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. Now, all these you can keep in mind. This will really help you in inverse trig completely. So last two, let's look at it. Tell me if once you have noted it down.
Done, sir.
So what does it say? Sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Let's say I'm asking you to prove this. Let's see how we will start. Okay, before we go there, we'll substitute x as some angle sine A. Okay? All right? Okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be A?
Sine inverse x.
Very good. A will be sine inverse of x. Similarly, we are going to substitute y as sine B. Then what will be angle B?
Sine inverse y.
Sine inverse of y. Absolutely. Right? Okay. Now, can you tell me if x is sine A, what will be root of 1 minus x square? But nothing but root of 1 minus x is what?
Sine A.
Therefore, this will be what? Root of 1 minus
Sine A.
sine.
Sine square.
What is 1 minus sine square A?
Cos square A.
Yes, root of cos square A is?
Cos A.
Yes. Similarly, can you tell me what is root of 1 minus y square? What is y?
Y sine B.
Yes. So this will be root of 1 minus.
Sine square B.
Yes. So what is root of sine? What is 1 minus sine square b?
Cos square
Cos
B and
square b is?
cos B.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us go into right hand side, RHS. So what is our RHS?
Sine inverse of x root 1 minus y square plus y by 1 minus x square.
So this is nothing but sine inverse of. What is x?
Sine A.
So x is sine A. What is root of 1 minus y square?
Cos B.
Yes. What is y?
Sine B.
I'll write it here. What is y? I'm sorry, what is root of 1 minus x square?
Cos A.
Cos A. I'm writing it here. Have you seen this formula anywhere?
Yes, sir. Sine A plus B.
Sine of a plus b, right? Very good.
Yes.
So this will be nothing but sine inverse of sine of a plus. What is sine inverse of sine of a plus b?
A plus B.
Very good. What is a? What is b?
A is sine inverse x and B is sine inverse y.
Is it not what we wanted to prove?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll just give you a minute. You can take it down. Once you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Excellent. So now if you see, if I have a minus sign here, then here also there will be a minus sign.
Okay.
If you take right hand side, you will start with minus sign here, correct?
Yes, sir.
So then this will become minus, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is this formula? Have you seen sin A cos B minus cos A sin B? What is it?
Sine A minus B formula.
Exactly. So this will be sine of A minus B.
Minus B.
Sine inverse of sine A minus B will be?
I get you, sir.
No. Sine inverse of sine A minus B will be?
A minus B.
A minus B. What is A? Sine inverse X.
Sine inverse x.
B sine inverse Y. So you'll get a minus. So that's. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this also you can take it down as a formula.
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Excellent. So now we'll do one more result and then we'll conclude the class today. Prove that cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. Let's see. Okay. Let x be equal to cos A and let y be equal to cos B. Okay. Then what will be A equal to? What will be the angle A?
Cos inverse x.
Cos inverse x. What will be angle B?
Cos inverse y.
Inverse y.
Cos inverse y, right? Now, can you tell me what will be root of 1 minus x square? Tell me nothing but root of 1 minus.
Cos x square.
What is 1 minus cos square A?
Sine square A.
Root of sine square A?
Sine A.
Exactly. So this will be sine A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you tell me what is root of 1 minus y square? That is,
Root of 1 minus cos square b.
yes. We know sine square b plus cos square b is 1. So 1 minus cos square b will be
Sin b.
sine square b. Root of sine square b will be,
Sin.
yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's take the RHS. What is our RHS? Cos inverse of x into y minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is x?
Cos a.
Cos. What is y?
Cos b.
Cos b. Minus. What is root of 1 minus x square?
Sin a.
Sin a, we just got it.
Yes.
What is root of 1 minus y square?
Sin b.
Sin b. Have we seen this anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Cos a, cos b minus
Cos of a plus b formula.
cos of a plus b, correct? So this will be cos inverse of cos of a plus b. What is cos inverse of cos of a plus b?
A plus b.
A plus b. What is a?
Cos inverse x.
And what is b?
Cos inverse y.
Cos inverse y. Exactly. So this is what we wanted to prove, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
You can note it down. Once you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Now another formula will be what? What is cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y? That will be cos inverse of xy plus root of x, 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. How do we say that? In the derivation, what will happen? This will become plus. This will become plus. So what will it be? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B?
Cos a minus b.
A minus B, correct? Yes.
Yes.
So cos inverse of cos A minus B will be?
A minus b.
Yes. So that will be nothing but cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y. That's the proof. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. I hope you learned something today.
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Good, good. All the best. Now, what we will do is I'll just send you the worksheet. Next class, we'll be able to comfortably discuss the worksheet, okay, which is, CT questions.
Okay, sir.
Because this concludes the theory, right? Whatever concepts I want to discuss, I have just shown it to you. Now we can start with the CT questions in the next class.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, students. Excellent.
Yes.